Hey guys, welcome to Bar Z. My name's Stan, and welcome to part 5 of the Industrial Finishing System series. This is the final video. This system was put together by General Automatic Transfer. They can be found at gatsystems.com. I just wanted to give them a plug. They've given me very excellent factory support, technical, as well as any parts I need. They get them to me right away. So they're a pretty good company to deal with. And their systems are tried and true, and they've been around the finishing industry forever. Maybe they put in Henry Ford's line back when he was running the Model A. Who knows? Okay, let's start off with going over to the job site and look at the system control and the system overview. Let's run over there and look at that controller. Home screen. System overview showing the oven, the washer, system control. It's going to show you the washer control and the oven control and all your set points. Washer control, that's all washer. This is an automatic mode. We can go into a manual, like a maintenance mode, for testing individual motors and turning them on and off individually. Go out of maintenance and go back to automatic. Oven control. Get all your blower starts. It's in automatic now, so one start will start everything at once, or we go into a maintenance mode and we can start and stop them all individually for testing or diagnostics. And back to our home screen. But that's the entire system here at Advantage Metal Products, designed by General Automatic Transfer, and this is the washer job and oven job I was on. I just wanted to show you that control system and how everything operated. All right. Okay, so that's a pretty neat control. It's good for diagnostic. It's maintenance friendly. You know, we can start individual components and go test them and check out one part of the system rather than having to start the whole thing. So pretty cool. Let's go coat some parts. The color of the day is black. Let's go make some parts black. Coming up on the first stage of the washer. This is where parts get loaded. They've got handprints on them. They've still got oil on them from the manufacturing process. And they're going to, first of all, get a hot iron phosphate wash. This is the actual etch that etches the parts, and it's going to clean all the grease and oil off of them. From here, they're going to go through a series of rinse downs, and the final is going to be a sealer. So it's going to go through stage 1, 2, 3, and 4. The final fourth is the sealer. Here they're coming out of sealer, and they're on their way over to the dehydrant section of the oven. This oven's going to evaporate any condensation or any water that's accumulated on them. You can see this part's almost completely dry on the way in. It's getting blown dry by the air knife on the way in, and have its temperature elevated slightly. Same parts on their way out of the dehydrant section. And these next stop for these is powder coat. But you can see that part is completely dry, and it's got kind of a iridescent look to it from the etch, from the phosphate. Within the powder booth, we've got 2 opposing painters to eliminate any shadowing or blind spots. There's a painter on each side of the parts painting the powder. This is a view on the other side of the powder booth. These are freshly powdered parts coming out of the powder booth. You'll see they've got kind of a matte finish from freshly applied powder. Now that part right there, you could You can definitely see on the left the difference between pre-bake and then over on the right you're going to see parts that are have been baked and the powder's been gelled completely. These parts are hanging on a cool-off section, and they're going to cool down and get back to the load and unload section where they can be taken off the line and fresh parts put on. And it's never ending. You see them pulling the parts off, packing them up, and as soon as the parts cool, they're ready to ship. There's no drying time involved with powder at all. That's the beauty of powder. After it cools down, it's ready to put in a box and send out the door. Okay, so that's the customer turning the key and running parts through his system. The last I heard, he was spitting out 700 parts a day, and they weren't even trying hard. And that's with manual painters. That's two guys in there painting. They put automatic guns in there. That thing's a complete workhorse. Right now, operator fatigue is the big bottleneck in that system. Those two painters get tired swinging a gun all day. So automatic guns, that's the next step in the system. This is the close of this series. This is Industrial Finishing System Part 5 and final. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.